Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. All right, you guys, two things today to show you guys and unbox together. First is, if I can grab it, SCENTBOX. I know, you're like, wait, we just did a SCENTBOX. This one is my subscription, so we'll get into that. Then, look what I got. Actually, it's from Influenster. It's a Voxbox, so I'm really excited to share that one with you guys too. Kind of heavy. All right, so I just did a SCENTBOX. That was one I ordered using a code. What does that mean? So I have a monthly subscription to SCENTBOX. There's several levels that you can start at. The base level, you can go right into premium. There's several levels, and it's basically tells you each tier or level is how expensive a fragrances you can access with that subscription. So they do have a referral program. My referral code is down below, or link I should say, and if you use my referral link and you subscribe, your first month you're going to pay the full price, and if you're looking at the base subscription, it's about $15-16 a month, and it goes up from there to like base level, premium level, and so on and so forth. So if you do that, you pay for your first month, you get your second month is free using my referral code, and I earn a 1 month or one fragrance sample free. So the last one we just did literally like a week ago or less, it was just me using a referral that I got. So this is my subscription. I recently, in the last, I'd say 3 months ago, 4 months ago, bumped up my subscription to their premium level, which allowed me to choose slightly more expensive fragrances. So let's see what we got. I don't remember. I like to go in. What you do is you do your subscription, and then you have what they call a queue, your monthly queue, and you can go in and you can fill out as many months as you want for fragrances. If you want to go in and just spend a couple hours going through and adding them into your monthly queue, you can do that. So I periodically go in and I add like 3 or 4 fragrances. I like to do that because then I like to forget what I'm getting, and that way it's kind of a surprise. I like that. So here's what it looks like. Now, the one I just got, I think I took to work already. It was a Salvatore, what was it called? Was it a Mo? Do I have the paper? No, I don't have the paper. Well, anyway, I'll link that video down below. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at this. This is a different color. I like that. Super pretty. So this is what you get. Now your first month you get a lot prettier box, and I don't know if I have mine around here anymore. I think I had it for a while and I got rid of it because it's kind of big. But every month after that it comes in this. This is what it looks like, and here is what you actually get. So you get a little atomizer, and it's 0.27 ounces. And what they basically tell you is it is enough for 30 days if you use up to like 1 to 3 spritzes per day, an average of like 2 spray per day. So that is what it looks like. Now I always remind people, make sure it's on tight, because I've had it where sometimes I'll put these in like my purse or my work bag, and I actually had one where it came loose and it literally dumped the fragrance all over my bag. So this is such a pretty looking one. So just a little SCENTBOX logo on it. I don't even know if you guys will be able to see that. So let's see what I got. We already went through the fragrances of the month. I will quickly remind you guys, for the ladies, you get a ladies and men's fragrance of the month, and it's just a way to call out specific fragrances they want you to think about. For the ladies, it is Viva La Juicy Gold Couture, and it's from Juicy Couture. That's what it looks like. And for the men, it is by Diesel, and it is Diesel Only the Brave. So I did quickly go through that in last week's video. So let's see what I chose. Ooh, Giorgio Armani, and I chose My Way by Giorgio Armani. Okay, so I do actually have fragrance on, but I don't know that I'm going to be able to smell it, so I'm going to just go for it and, oops, help if I actually had this out all the way. Prime the spritzer. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. Now, I like the scents of jasmine, so very often I search on scents that have fragrances that have jasmine in it. I like that a lot. Reminds me of some of the other fragrances, but I really love that smell of jasmine. So it's My Way by Giorgio Armani, and it is Eau de Parfum spray. So there is the little label on the bottom. Now I like SCENTBOX because if you do not like, you know, you unless you've gone to like department stores and tried fragrance samples and spritzers and all that, you know, you're kind of just searching maybe off of the particular fragrances. For instance, Viva La Juicy Gold Couture has berries, vanilla, jasmine, and amber in it. So, like I said, I like amber. I might be willing to try this one. But let's say it comes and I'm like, ooh, doesn't work for me. SCENTBOX gives you the opportunity to do one exchange if you don't like it in the month. So, and it's for free. So if you don't like it, you go onto their website and you fill out a little form to exchange your fragrance. And I think that's really great because a lot of them don't do that. So that is my subscription for the month for SCENTBOX. Let's get into my Voxbox. I didn't know I was getting this, you guys. I literally picked it up from the post office and was like, I'm getting a Voxbox. Didn't know that. Went into my email and they must have tracked and known I picked it up because in my email, suddenly it told me I was getting this Voxbox. And you guys, this one made me kind of laugh. I think it's kind of funny, but I'm actually kind of excited. I'm pretty pumped for this. So it is from Jennifer Lopez. It is part of her JLo Body collection. JLo Beauty's Firm and Flaunt Targeted Booty Balm. Oh my gosh, you guys. So here is a little picture of Miss JLo in her bodysuit. So that is it. I'm excited to try this. It's a nice big thing of booty balm. Her Firm and Flaunt Targeted Booty Balm. So I'm pretty excited to try this. Let's see what else it says. It says it's a clinically tested formula inspired by the most iconic booty, aka JLo, to visibly firm skin and fade the appearance of stretch marks. So that's pretty cool. I'm cool with that. So yeah, if you guys are unfamiliar with Influenster, it is an app. It is a website, but honestly, they push you to use their app. They prefer you to use the app than the website. You sign up for free. And you do need to link all your social media accounts because you're kind of ranked by what kind of social media accounts you have. Do you have Instagram? Do you have Facebook? Do you have Twitter? Do you have TikTok? Because you start filling out what they call surveys, you answer questions, you earn points. You earn points by the number of followers you have on all your social medias. You connect to other people on Influenster, you get points for that as well. Although they cap you at a certain number of followers. I don't know why they do that. I think it's ridiculous. But you fill out surveys, you do reviews. They suggest you start doing reviews on products you already own. And I mean, it's anything under the sun. Electronics, home care goods, you know, fans, body washes, you know, what kind of kitchen cleanser you use, what kind of laundry detergent you use, what snacks you eat, what kind of, you know, food you have in your refrigerator. Like you can basically go in and review anything and everything. And that kind of helps you to start earning points and getting recognized by Influenster. And then you start filling out more of their little surveys and questionnaires and you can start getting what are called Voxboxes. And it is getting things like this for free for your honest review. So you get it in the mail. You get basically this campaign is what it's called. Shows up in your in the app, under your Influencer app, under your account, and it tells you what you have to do. Usually you have to leave a review on Influencer. Oftentimes you may have to do pictures on Instagram. They might ask you to make a TikTok video. A lot of times you have to go out and leave your honest review on websites. It could be a website. It could be like Sephora. It could be Target. It depends on what you get, like where they want you to leave reviews. So honestly, basically what is going on is these companies are trying to push their products for people to use and leave reviews because most of us want to hear people's honest reviews, right? This is one of the reasons, hopefully, why you're watching my video, but also like how many of you shop on Amazon? Do you read the reviews on the products before you buy them? I do. I absolutely do. Are you going to buy a product off Amazon if it's only got a 2-star review? No, you're not going to, right? So that's the kind of situation like Amazon sellers are looking to get like 4.5-star, 5-star reviews, right? So they're like literally like, please, here's some free product. Please leave me a good review. Well, that's a naughty thing, but they can give you stuff as long as they're not telling you that you only get it in exchange for a 5-star review. But so Influencer asks you to leave an honest review, and yeah, it's a lot of fun. So if you're really looking to get into kind of being that testing person, there's lots of ideas, lots of places you can go. You can do Sampler, you can do Influencer, you can sign up on Pinch Me, all kinds of really great places. There's BuzzFeed, I think. There's a bunch of places. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped. I'm actually really excited to try this. So I'm really excited I got chosen for that. The last Influencer Voxbox, you guys, I don't have it in front of me, but it was hubby gets some Tom Ford, a full size of Tom Ford's Oud Wood men's perfume to try, and I am so jealous because, as you saw, I love my fragrances, and he got a full-sized, really nice Tom Ford fragrance, so I'm kind of jealous. But all right, you guys, let me know. And hey, if you are on Influencer, let's connect, okay? You know, it's always good to connect. It helps you, you know, earn points on Influencer, so I will have that link down below in the description as well. And I will have my SCENTBOX referral. Like I said, you know, if you go on their website, SCENTBOX's website, you can pay only like $10 to get your first month discounted, or you can pay like the $15 or $16 for that base one and get your second month free. So either you get like $5 off, or you get like an entire month, $15-16 for free. I think it's better to go in and get a referral and get a free month, honestly. You would get that free month, and I would actually get just one free month. So it's fun. And then when you're a member of SCENTBOX, you get a referral. You can refer your friends and family members. They can get a free month off of your referral, and then you would get a free month. So I think it's a fun thing to do. Everybody likes, I think most people like fragrance. Obviously, some people have allergies, can't do it. I understand, but all right, you guys, I really appreciate your time. I tried to kind of go through this pretty quick to save you some time. I know it was nothing terribly exciting, but let's connect on Influencer. And oh yeah, you guys, I am approaching another channel milestone. And honestly, as soon as I approached it, YouTube put me into a channel audit. So they are going through auditing all my subscribers. Please double check over the next 3 weeks to make sure you're still subscribed to me. They're dropping my subscriber numbers right now. Honestly, in the last 3 days, they've taken away about a dozen subscriber numbers from me. So here we go. They do it periodically. And honestly, every time you kind of hit towards a milestone, they start doing a hard review. So I'm almost to like 2,400, and they are literally taking subscribers away from me every day. So please make sure you're subscribed. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, join my YouTube family. You guys, once I get through this channel audit, I am hoping I can hit that 2,400, and I want to do a giveaway. I literally have stuff set aside for the giveaway, but right now, YouTube doing its thing, I may wait just a little bit. But you guys, I am doing some giveaways in other areas, so make sure you're watching my videos, because I do want to Unmask Mondays. And I've done a couple of hidden ones lately, so be sure to check them out, all right? All right, guys, I'll let you go. Have a great one. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.